Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to find out when your friends or a celebrity who you follow created their Instagram account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this guide is for anyone who is stalking their celebrity or friends and want to find out when the account was created. This is also great for finding out which country the user is from. So let me show you how to do it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now search for a profile by tapping on the magnifying glass at the bottom. Type in the profile name you want to investigate about. Here I'll search for Britney Spears. Once the results appear, tap on the account. This will then take you to the user's profile page. Now tap on the three dots at the top right. A menu should appear at the bottom. Tap on About this account. This will then show you when the user joined Instagram and also where the account is based in. There are other information which you can tap on, like former usernames and accounts with shared followers. And there you go, that is how to find out when your friends or a celebrity who you follow created their Instagram account. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.